Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 30 to April 5. Wow! Second quarter na ng taon. Time flies, di ba? High season pa rin. And tignan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. Right. So, bubunot ako dito ng tatlong cards that will be the overall energy of your love and connection with your person. Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aquarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Alright. And sa mga bago, sana supportahan niyo po ang aking channel by subscribing. And to everyone, please like this video. It helps the channel grow. And comment lang sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading. Thanks, guys. Alright. Sige. Let's begin. First card. King of Coins. Ten of Swords. And King of Wands. Okay. So, ang nakukuha kong energy dito is that there's abundance. Okay? Despite some failures na nangyari sa relationship in the recent past. What I see here this week is it's full of abundance, and tapos with the King of Wands pa, full of leadership in a way na you're taking responsibility and your person is taking responsibility with whatever na nangyari in the recent past that caused some failure in the relationship. Okay, so kung nagkaroon ng issues, ng arguments, ng pag-aaway, you're taking full responsibility on it. Lalo na this week. What I mean is, if you're taking responsibility, di ba, ayusin nyo yung dapat ayusin. Okay? Pag-uusapan yung dapat pag-usapan. And if kailangan i-let go ang mga bagay na kailangan i-let go, okay, you'll walk away from it. Not in the relationship per se, pero yung mga traits, mga attitudes, behaviors that's causing some failure, diba? And conflict in the relationship. Ayun, you'll do your part din naman to end those things. Because this connection is full of abundance once all this causing yung mga challenges ay matanggal na. Okay? Sige, tingnan natin ano yung overall energy at bakit itong tatlong cards na to ang lumabas. So, tingnan natin yung details using this deck. So, bubunot ako ng 10 cards from here. And habang binabalasa ko, I would like to remind everyone that this is a collective reading. Meaning, it may or may not resonate. Okay? Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig na sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy nyo today. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Or, you may watch the other videos na na-post ko na. Kasi ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay. Sige. First card, Page of Swords, Six of Wands, Five of Cups, Knight of Swords, Eight of Swords, Page of Wands, Five of Pentacles, the Fool, Queen of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Bottom of the deck, Seven of Wands. So this is the energy you don't see coming. Okay. So I started with the Page of Swords and then with the Hermit. So this is the detail ng overall energy. But before that, you might be dealing with an Aries, Aquarius, or Virgo. Doesn't have to. Ito lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. But check nyo rin yung kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Baka yun ay yung mga signs din na sinabi ko. Okay. So, as I can see here with the Page of Swords, na there's this curiosity din to find out, diba? Yung with the Six of Wands, sorry, curiosity then to find out what is required to support each other. Ito yung, kasi dito nakikita natin that sa overall energy, di ba, may mga bagay nga talaga na dapat din ayusin. Okay? Yung mga, to make the connection abundant, di ba? May mga failures na need na i-take ng actions to really remove that one in the relationship, di ba? And it requires nga that leadership, okay, responsibility to take an action. And here nakikita dito that with the Page of Wands na nakadikit kay Six of Wands, okay, is that there's this how to say, yung curiosity na alamin ano yung nagkakos nga nung mga issues, arguments, and how to remove them from the relationship, kasi it's causing the connection a lot of sadness, a lot of stress, as shown here by the Five of Cups. Yun talaga parang abundant sana yung relationship, pero hindi nga siya nag-move forward or nade-delay yung abundance na yun because of the issues na kailangan naman talagang i-end pero hindi pa matapos-tapos. Bakit? Kasi hindi napapag-usapan, hindi nauupuan, hindi rin open and honest when it comes to facing it, di ba? Para ma-resolve na. But here, I can see naman, lalo na with this week, that with the Knight of Swords din naman, there's this assertiveness naman to, sige, ayusin na natin siya. There's this assertiveness. And, tapusin na rin what's ever restricting the abundance or yung pag-progress ng relationship, as shown here by the Eight of Swords, which is a card of restriction, but with the Nine of Swords, a card of being assertive and doing what you really need to do. Okay? And nakikita ko dito nga na again, it requires talaga that leadership or responsibility na pinapakita dito with the energy that once you really put an effort and you stand firm with what you want and how you want it to happen, okay, malalampasan nyo yun. Yung restriction na yun is magagawa nyo ng paraan. Hindi na kayo restricted. Okay? And plus here with the Page of Wands din naman na it's a fresh start. It will you'll start anew and be out from that loss. Diba? Kasi Five of Cups tapos may Five of Pentacles pa, which is Five of Pentacles is the lack of love and affection, lack of communication, lacking. It's a card of lack. So, but it will shift to something new once nga na ma-solusyonan nyo yung mga issues na yon, ma-let go nyo na siya, okay? And it will reach to a point that, okay, let's start anew. And tapos si Queen of Pentacles pa is again the abundance, similar energy with the King of Coins, but here is more on the nurturing love, and abundance and the comfort that you need sa relationship. Okay? And with the Hermit, aside from Hermit being a card of reflection and solitude, it's also a card of self-growth. So, for you to be able to reach this part of a fresh start with the nurturing, comfort, love, and growth, yung self-growth yun about isa sa relationship na nag-grow kayo together, it requires you to really work on the issues or restrictions na nabanggit ko kanina. Okay? And what you don't see coming is you will overcome this naman challenge. Okay? So, the Seven of Wands, which is overcoming the challenges and standing firm then with the boundaries that you have, standing firm with what you really want in the relationship. Diba? Everything will work out well. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Tingnan natin ano ba yung advice ni universe sa inyo. So, bubunot ako ng isang card from this oracle deck. That will be the advice of the universe. So, tingnan natin. Third card. Friendship. Okay. So, sinasabi dito is use the energy of friendship. Meaning, di ba pag totoong magkaibigan kayo, you work things out to maintain the friendship. May nag-uusap, nagkakapatawaran, pag may issue, nagsasabi din ng totoo na kung ano yung mga kailangang baguhin or you applaud sa mga achievements, di ba? Pero you call out sa mga traits na kailangang baguhin, i-apply yung the same energy with a romantic relationship. So, what you do in a platonic relationship, apply it sa romantic relationship and everything will be smoother din. Kasi treatment nyo sa isa't isa ay bilang mag-best friend, magkaibigan, hindi lang basta magkarelasyon na romantic, di ba? Di ba, totoo yun na pag minsan, di ba, sinasabi ng iba na parang, my partner is my best friend then because you show and you apply the same energy ng friendship dun sa romantic relationship. Okay, so kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ka pang love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno or in short mismo, kita-kits. Ingat!